Right, let's see if these are any good. Well, I picked up this container of, I don't know what to call these, they're automatic soldering joints maybe? I didn't realise they came with all this heat shrink, and honestly this heat shrink is useless. None of it's big enough for anything really. It certainly doesn't go over these joints, but I suppose if you're using these joints, then you probably don't want the heat shrink. So we'll give these a try and we'll see how they go. Right, I think the best way to test them, get one about the right size. Because if you're not seeing these things, the idea is that they go in from either side. Those red bands there are actually hot melt glue. And in the middle, there is a band of solder. So you put the wire in there. You get the sheath through the hot melt glue. And you get the wires together in the solder. Then we give her a bit of a heat up. Now, I'm not sure whether that was a little bit too much of a heat up. But we seem to have melted the solder and stuck that. I'm giving that a fairly good pull, and there's nothing happening there. We can oh no, it's on. Which one makes the bigger noise? That's the one that makes the noise. Test for continuity. So, yeah, that seems to have worked. It's hardening up a bit now, so It's not as sloppy as it once was. And yeah, well, that seems to have worked. I'm not a big fan of soldering. Not that I don't think it works, it's just I don't like doing it. So for me, this is a better idea. If there's hot melt glue there and these are shrinking onto there, then we won't need the heat shrink. Like I say, this heat shrink, maybe on small wires it might be usable, but I don't think I've ever cut a piece that small in my life. I also have quite a bit of heat shrink laying around. So, but anyway, yeah, they appear to be a good thing. So yeah, I'm glad I got them.